In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Avalon key fob and change the battery at home. It's very easy to do. All you will need is one of these CR 2025 batteries, and if you'd like to get one of those online, there will be a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. Now, the first step here is to look at the top of the device. You can see there's that little slot in the plastic. See that right there? We're going to take a regular flathead screwdriver and insert it into that area and just twist. Hold the device loosely and just twist, and we will open this thing up. You can set the back piece to the side. And now from here, we actually want to use a small, thin instrument. I'm going to be using this precision screwdriver because we want to fit something that will fit into this little opening, and we're going to push down and pry the battery out. Now, you could probably use a paper clip kind of bent out to insert under here, just something thin enough to get in there. If you don't have anything, if you just want to do it very safely, you can get a pack of these precision screwdrivers. This is what I'd recommend. And again, I'll put that in the link, a link for that in the description. It's just a couple bucks on Amazon, but just try to use what you have lying around. So go ahead and go into that little opening, push down to the bottom, and then just gently pry back, and the battery will come right out. Now take a new CR 2025 battery and make sure this positive side is facing up, and you want to just slide it down first. Again, with the bottom, this little key ring pointing up, you want to slide it down, getting it behind these two little pieces of plastic at the bottom, and then click the top in, and then it will go in nice and easily. And all we got to do now is just click the back on there. So go ahead and line that up, just click it back together. You can make sure that that light is coming on, and that shows that your battery has some power, and you followed all the steps correctly. So good job. I hope that helped you out, and if it did, you can let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing a battery in another one of your key fobs for any make or model, you can check out the rest of our tutorials here on YouTube or visit us directly at fobbattery.com.